How to change project name in the Filmora editing app. If you are editing your videos on the Filmora app and don't know how to rename your project or video, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now you can see I have added the video. Now I will simply edit the video. Now simply edit the video first. Add the filters, text, stickers. Use the speed and add music, whatever you would like to do to add to your video. After that, here you can find the cross button right here at the top. Now tap on it. Then to rename, tap on to this 3-line dot just right here of the project. Tap on it. Then here you can find the rename option right here. Now select it. Now tap on it and remove the name just like this and add a new one just like this and tap on to save. And now you can see the project name has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the project name in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.